Ito yung ilan sa posibleng mangyari once na hindi ka mag-set ng daily task mo. Una, mawawalan ka ng direction in life. Dahil hindi mo na mamamonitor kung saan mo ginugugol ang oras mo to become more productive. Oo, aminado ko, lahat tayo may bisyo. Sa iba't ibang paraan lang natin ginagamit. To be honest, nung hindi ko pa sinisimulan daily task ko, 4 to 6 hours ng buhay ko yung masasayang kaka-scroll ng kung ano-ano sa social media. Like memes or funny videos. Unlike ngayon na mas nakafocus na ako sa pag-execute ng daily task ko. Kasi nakaset na siya from Monday to Sunday. Adjustment na lang sakaling mabago ang schedule. Next is, possible din na maging easy-go-lucky ka na lang at walang plano sa sarili mo kung ano at sino ka 1 year from now. Good thing is, napanood mo ang video na to. I'm not a motivational speaker or gurus na nag-i-empowered para lang magpa-impress. I'm sharing this dahil tulad mo, maaaring parehas tayo ng pinagdaanan. And gusto mo ding makawala sa ganitong senaryo. Don't wake up in the morning and not to know what you have to do. I believe that when you have a checklist, you don't need to spend more time thinking about what you're going to do today. Yun lang guys. This is day 26 of Project 50. See you in the next video.